Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you proportion. In this proportion, we are going to learn what is a proportion and what is a unitary method. Let us learn one by one. First, proportion. What is a proportion? Equality of two ratios or equality of ratios is called proportion. Example, 1:2 is equal to 3:6. Therefore, these two fractions 1:2 and 3:6 are in proportion. Then we can write 1:2 is as 3:6. This is the symbol to represent proportion. We read as is as 1:2 is as 3:6 is as. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. If A is to B is equal to C is to B, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. Then we can write these A is to B is as C is to D. In this, A and D are called extremes. These last terms are called extremes. These middle terms are called means. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. AD is equal to BC. Unitary method. What is a unitary method? The method in which we first find the value of one unit and then the value of the required number of units is known as unitary method. Let us observe an example. If the cost of 12 pencils is 24 rupees, then find the cost of 10 pencils. To solve this problem, first we have to write these pencils. Cost in rupees, $24. we have to find cost of 10 pencils. What is the cost of these 10 pencils? To find this 10 pencils is equal to, we have to divide this 24 by 12, multiply with this 10. So this is the method of finding unitary method. 24 divided by 12 into 10. 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 tens are 20 rupees for this 10 pencils. Therefore, cost of 10 pencils is equal to 20 rupees. Let us observe one more example. If the cost of 12 pence is 18 rupees, then find the cost of 24 pence. Pence 12 cost in rupees 18. Find the cost of 24 pence. How much? So to solve this, we have to divide this 18 by 12 and multiply with 24. 18 by 12 into 24. 6 threes are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 12 threes are 36. So 36 rupees is the cost of 24 pence. So cost of 24 pence is equal to 36 rupees. Friends, I think you understood well each and every concept. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates and share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.